1999 Bluebird Freightliner FS-65 school bus. Alrighty, you got your door switch there, park brake, shifter, got your tachometer, speedometer, all that good stuff. Idle engine, check switch, dimmer lights, panel lights, hazard, turn signals, your control panel, manual switch, panel dimmer, your heater, your dome lights, you got your heaters, your fans, air, fresh air switch, washers, wipers, all that. Got your specs from Bluebird up top in there. Here's the inside of the bus. Emergency door in the rear. 99 Bluebird Freightliner FS-65. The exterior. Pretty neat bus. Thank you.